Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make bhajias or fried potatoes. But before we start our recipe for today, I would like you to be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be able to get more updates whenever I upload, and also you thumbs up, and I'll be so much grateful. And we have our peeled potatoes here, and I have salt, I have cumin, and then I have food color, I have coriander, fresh corianders, and I also have garlic, fresh garlic that is pounded, and I also have ginger, fresh ginger that I have grounded, and I also have wheat flour, and I have water. The quantity of your wheat, it depends with how many potatoes you're going to use. As for me, I'm going to use 5 potatoes, and I've just put it's 1 cup of wheat flour. And then from this 1 cup of wheat flour, I'm going to add my salt, ½ teaspoon, and then I'll be able to put my cumin. You can put half, there you go, it's half. And then I'll start first by mixing these 3 ingredients. For the cumin, you'll be able to get a nice smell in your fried potatoes, and it also brings a nice taste. That's why I like using the cumin. This is a grounded cumin, it's not fresh. And then I'll add water and then mix so that I can be able to get a smooth paste. Add a little bit of water again. The paste is supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be soft and smooth. Now I'm done making the paste. I'll add my garlic, and then again I'll be able to add my ginger, and then I'll be able to mix it fast. For the garlic and ginger, it also brings a nice smell and a nice taste. You can be able to try this at your home. It's a very simple recipe, and the ingredients that I'm using, you can be able to get them on your local store that is around you. And then I'll add my coriander, fresh coriander, and then I'll mix it. And for the coriander, it's bring a nice image on your bhajia or on your fried potatoes. And then I'll put my food color. You can be able to put half of it. It depends with which color that you want, or the color that you want. And then I'll stir it. I'll stir it for all the ingredients to be able to mix well, and also to be able to get a nice color. This is how your mix should be looking like, and with the thickness supposed to be able to be thick for it to be able to be hold on your potatoes, or to have the cover of the paste that I have made here, or for the mixture that I have here. I'll put it aside, and then I'll be coming back to these potatoes. I'm supposed to be I had already peeled it. I'm supposed to be able to cut it. You can be able to put any shape that you want. You can be able to cut it like this, or again you can be able to do this. It depends with which shape that you want, and it's supposed not to be able to, it's not supposed to be able to be thick. It's supposed to be able to look like this. I love this shape because it's able to bring to give us a nice bhajia or a nice fried potatoes. As I continue cutting my potatoes, I'm going to put my oil on my pan for it to be able to cook, for the oil to be able to cook, to be hot, before dipping my bhajias or my fried potatoes on the oil. I'm already done putting my oil in the pan for it to be able to be hot. I'm also cutting the last potato here, and then I go and check on my pan if it's ready. I'm done. This is the shape. Again, it's not supposed to be able to be thick for it to be able to cook it well, or for it to be able to be cooked well. I'm done with this, and then I'll dip them here on the paste that I had made, or on the mixture that I had already made. And then after putting it, you're supposed to be able to mix it well for the paste, be able to cover it all round after it has cooked. And then this is the place where I'm going to put my bhajias or my fried potatoes after I'm done cooking it. You can be able to put a serviette for the oil to be able to use the serviette so that your potatoes cannot be able to have much oil, or to dry it using the serviette. With the hot oil, now I'm going to dip my potatoes. It's really smelling nice. You dip it small bit by bit, and make sure you don't burn with the oil. And leave it for some time for it to be able to cook, and make sure it does not burn. There you go. I'll leave it for a period for it to be able to cook. The other side, it has finished cooking. I'm going to turn it here. I've turned it for also this side to be able to cook. Now bhajia or our fried potatoes are ready. I'm going to remove them. Here you go, you can see it looks crunchy. It looks yummy. I'm going to put them on this plate here for the oil to be able to dry. Potatoes is ready, or my bhajias are ready. As you can see, the corianders, you can be able to see them here. It gives us a nice picture. I'm going to put like one or two here in this plate, and then I taste it so that I can be able to tell you how nice it is or how yummy it is. I'm going to add my chili and then my tomato sauce. I'm going to taste one and give you the feedback. Wow. 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 It's very, very yummy. Plus the cumin and also the ginger and the garlic, it's giving it a nice taste. You can try the recipe at your home. It's a very simple recipe, and to get the same result. Thanks for your time, viewers. Don't forget to subscribe. You can as well be able to click the thumbs up, and also below you can be able to see other links for the other recipe, and you can be able to try it at your home. Hashtag stay home, hashtag stay safe. Bye.